Hello friends, welcome to all. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about snoring. It is the problem which is vibrating of airway of nose and throat that is most commonly occur, and there are some common solutions which is described here. We should also try to lose some body weight, because excessive heavy weight that might be reason of this kind of problem, because due to excessive body weight there is lot more of fat surrounding the neck, and that will be severe kind of discomfort, and due to this problem there may be chances of snoring. And if you're looking for another reason, there is change your sleeping position. That will be providing a better kind of controlling towards the rid of snoring, because if we are sleeping in the front position, if we are sleeping in the same kind of position, there may be chances of severe kind of discomfort regarding to snoring. We should also try for the cut down alcohol and cigarette smoking, because this kind of the alcoholism and smoking habits will always gives the severe kind of muscles discomfort, and there is the loss of severe kind of voice tone, and sometimes elasticity of muscles is totally missing. So we should try to avoiding the alcohol use and cigarette controlling during the time of sleeping and just before the sleeping, and also try to controlling this habit proper way. And during the time of sleeping pattern, we should also try to change our position. Never should sleep in the back position, never should sleep in the front position. And there is very important thing is also that we should sleep in a proper time, and properly sleeping is also very important, because very poor sleeping pattern is also creating discomfort in the sleep cycle. That will be also a leading cause of severe kind of discomfort. And it is our also requirement that we should drink proper fluid before the sleeping, because dehydration will also leading cause of snoring. So never should be facing this type of the problems. And just before sleeping, never should use any kind of medicines and drug instead of that is not useful for you, otherwise that will be also a leading cause of snoring. So there are some useful tips to overcome this kind of snoring condition and this type of problems, which is very irritable and embarrassing situation during time of sleeping. If we are facing this problem, anybody and many types of peoples may be raise their objection. So friends, hope you will be satisfied with my discussion. Thanks for listening and subscribe my channel.